Right, hello again. Time for another video. This time I'm going to try and pick this Medeco 6-pin lock. I've actually got two of these. I've got this one here which I've already picked, and now I'm going to try and get this one picked on camera. Right, let's get started. A second. I don't have a key for these. Right, and we're off. First binder. Can be quite tricky staying on the pin. I think I got that. Back to the beginning. It surprised me the amount of tension that you need to put on these locks. This particular lock, I struggled trying to get it open, so I ended up having to progressively pin it till I finally managed to get it open. So this is now pinned up with all 6 chambers with the sidebar in. When I was doing the progressive pinning, I left the sidebar in. That first pin's very, very high. Right, they all feel as if they've been picked. I'll just I think it's just the sidebar now. Yeah. Oh, there was still a couple at the back needed picking. And there we've got it. Right. That's it. 6 pins. Right, I'll just change the angle of the camera and we'll get it gutted. This lot did have wafers in, which I've removed, but you can just see the wafers there. I suppose I could gut this from the top just by removing those little grub screws, but I'll do it the way I'm used to doing. And just got a follower, got one here somewhere. Try and grab the sidebar. There we go. Get the sidebar out first. You can see it there. Yeah, you can see it there. I've actually dropped one of those tiny little springs in the past. Took me a long time on my hands and knees. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6, and there's the chamber, the core, standard core. And just get the pins out of this. Oh, if I can find my tweezers. One, two, three. I'll do the rest from the back. Oops. 6. Yeah, doing too well here. Where did that go? Can't see it. Just get the rest of them out, the last one out, and then I'll look for it. There's 4. Right. Just bear with me a second. Right. I'm going to have to find that some other time. It was a standard pin. So there's 2 mushroom pins, 1 in chamber 1 and one in chamber 6. The key pin on 1 looks like it's got a serration on. Yeah. Right, let's put the camera down to that. Oh, I found it. It's there. And there are the pens. Right, okay, thank you very much and goodbye.